Hello fellow teachers. So I thought of making this video because there are a lot of talks going on about the seated exam, that it is mandatory for us to clear the paper. I don't know what will be the verdict of Supreme Court further, but for the time being it is said that it is mandatory for us. So since I'm a primary school teacher, I have cleared my paper 7 times. I have appeared for the paper for 7 times, and with God grace I have cleared it for the 7 times. And the highest mark that I could score was of 120 out of 150. So I thought of, I felt like I can add a little value or input in your preparation. So that's why, that was the whole purpose of shooting this video. So firstly I would suggest that don't clutter yourself with a lot of books, guides, references and all. Rather than helping, it will confuse you more. So what I'll suggest ki for the paper 1 there will be 5 sections. First is your pedagogy, then 2 languages, English and Hindi. Apart from that you will get EVS and math. So for the subjects like languages and English and Hindi, for your NCERT books from classes 1 to 5th are more than enough. And for pedagogy you can source some content from outside books which will help you. And I'm going to show you the books that I used during my preparation and which really helped me. And there are not a lot of books, only one book that I followed and that helped me a lot. So that's the first thing. The second thing I would say that to prepare for your languages, because in languages mostly passage will come and grammars will come. So you can focus on the grammar part, that will help you क्योंकि questions grammars के ही maximum होती है. And the third thing will be कि give mock papers as much as possible. It will give you an idea कि आपको किस तरह की questions आएंगे and आप हर एक section में कितना time invest कर रही है. और साथ ही साथ कई बार मॉक्स की भी क्वेश्चंस हमें पेपर में दिख जाती है. सो गिविंग मॉक्स इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी गुड. यू कैन गिव द मॉक्स.